What is Audit SME? Audit SME is a web-based auditing tool that helps business auditor automate client financial statement audits. Audit SME software can generate reports, correspondence, and financial statement automatically with minimal technical knowledge. The objective of Audit SME: mobile-friendly, produce quality and accurate work, reduce time costs. Benefit of using software. First, reduce duplication of effort. Using audit software means you can provide information quickly. Reports can be customized according to standard to display data visual. This means that the preparation of the audit will be complete more quickly without having to create a new paperwork for each other client company. Second, increase the accuracy of the information gathered during an audit. Audit software help eliminate error and bias in conducting audit. With this software, the auditing task will be more accurate and efficient. It can also capture evidence in real time and attach any type of file. Last, collect more data during auditing. In auditing, tracking information takes a long time. By using audit software, auditor will collect data and sample more quickly.
The disadvantage of the software. The software is a bit difficult to understand and a bit confusing to use. It is difficult to learn at first because it requires a lot of practice and it is not very user-friendly. However, with more training, we will undoubtedly improve our performance and find it so much easier to use in the future. Second, the interface performance problem. The software's interface is a little simple and very boring, and the user will quickly become uninterested. Additionally, the software takes a long time to load. It is maybe caused by heavy traffic usage of the software and will subsequently cause severe lagging. For the group reflection, the student can learn something new and get an idea on how the audit process in the software will work in the future. In this Audit SME apprentice program, many of us have learned that to prepare a professional audit report, we also need to be observative in order to give relevant feedback and to prevent our conclusion. This system also can help auditor to record about a business systematically and be able to convince a party by providing thorough, organized, and detailed.
This video will show you how to use Audit SME software. So, this is tutorial for workflow. First, we need to log into website Audit SME software to access it. First step for preparation phase is create company database. Click the admin and company database to create new company. So, we need to fill in company name, company number, and year ending. Next, go to the company configuration to update company reporting date. Make sure the ending and beginning of the year are correct. You can click the button edit and tick reporting date for the first year incorporation. Then, we need to update company details at reporting and operation. Do not allow client to change this because the software fills all information. After that, create an update card module in Director, Auditors, Secretary and Register Office. Go to button card and we'll see the sub-menu for card. For example, we create card for Director. Click this account and fill in this form until complete. That can be edited with click button, edit and information that you want. Next, we need to create share opening banner for each Director. We go to menu bar share, click issue of share and update opening share. For purchase, add amount at number share for purchaser and click add record. Then click transfer of share. Next, we need to import trial balance. Click TB and import TB for convert import Excel TB. Then click upload and make it finish. After upload, trial balance will appear on the system. Next, we need to be grouping the trial balance in correct account and import trial balance. We go to the bar grouping and view group item. If you have wrong group account, tick and delete item.
For the working paper, click at the process and click PAGE, PRGE, PYGE. Next, for the adjustment, click for PRGE and click add description and click OK. Click add NN hire purchase and list payable. So we can see different up and RM1. Click add rounding up error and click OK. So now the statement is tally. Let's go to G3. Click to unitary planning materiality. Choose for medium. And click add profit before tax. And click submit. For import accounting record, fill all the column and click match strict column. Then click submit. Next, fill the column and judgmental sampling. Select sample. Type amount at min sample scope and click all. Next, create new sublead. Then go to temp income. Fill for monetary unit sampling. Then click save. Go to worksheet and sampling. Also create new sub-link and click integrate worksheet. Then edit content. Tick both and update content.
We click asset plugin and go to import free asset listing, and we need to enter the sample asset listing in this column and click upload, then click submit. Next, we need to fill in this column according to the correct item, and lastly click import. We go back to the menu, click asset plugin again and show we PPE worksheet. So we scroll down and look the total carried amount, and the total should tally in report of PPE. Next, to generate, we click the MFA button and appear this page. Click cost, top, 31st December 2020, and method click final total. After that, click update grouping data, yes, and generate movement. We go to the report number 5, PPE. Click this button, which is to generate. So we can look net carrying amount of PPE, also detail of asset held under hire purchase. Next, to create band, we go to the menu, click card, band, and open in new tab. Click button beside card and click column band. This is band, this company. And scroll down, click create and finish. We go back to the menu, click lead schedule, liability, hire purchase, and entry, and click this button. So will appear like this, and we need to fill in all detail, follow the information. First, we fill in for Proton Saga. Click submit, then fill in for highlight. After finish, we go to minimum list. Click this button to amortization schedule. Click monthly and update record. Lastly, go to report number 11, borrowing. Click button generate. Next, go to the menu, click sampling, generate sampling data, and we need enter all information in this column. Scroll down, click in the column, select sample. Scroll down, click all, and save sample. Next, go to sampling result. Enter the information. For the technique, choose judgmental sampling. Click this button and fill information what we want for the result. Click preview and integrate worksheet. Lastly, go to audit letter, confirmation, receivable confirmation. Scroll down and appear our all customer. For the audit letter, we click right box and print.
Continue to the reporting phase, we need to update some statement. First, we have to update statement of change in equity. To update the statement, we go to this schedule, financial reporting, and choose statement of change in equity, which is F3. To update any information here, we click plus menu. Under the menu button, we can update the current, comparative, and others item by clicking that first icon. For example, under the current, we can update any figure or item here and click update record. Next, to update the statement of cash flow, again we go to this schedule. Under financial reporting, we choose F7 cash flow statement. To update any item here such as adjustment, working capital, and worksheet, we click the item, update any needed info. Then we click grouping to finish update the statement. For the worksheet, we click worksheet and auto generate and click the generate. Lastly, scroll down to click update to finish updating our statement of cash flow. To generate the director's report and auditor's report, both having the same step. Under reporting, we choose director report or auditor's report and click create. Here we can choose any template to be presented. For example, we can click or unclick any item here, and it will be included in the director's report. The item we choose is based on our client's need. Then we can generate our report by scrolling down and click generate director report. Auditor's report is the same step as generating director's report. To change any item manually, we can click the third icon here. And change any info. Then again, we click change director report. Next, to add or remove any item in the notes to financial statement, we go to reporting, notes to financial statement, click create note number. Here, we can add or remove any necessary item by clicking the box. To finish updating the notes, we scroll down and click add new notes item. Here are all the items under notes to financial statement. To manually edit the notes, we click the forts icon here. Then we can just update any info and click create to done updating. The icon here is to page break the notes. The reason is to show the notes in new pages.
Lastly, go back to the financial statement and reporting. Under the table of content, audited financial statement, management account, it will show all the report usually needed by the directors. We can print and compile the report statement for any users. That's all from me and my group. Thank you.